is Cindy, and today I have sort of a two-part vlog for you guys. The first part is me going to the gym, going to get my nails done, and the second part is me going to Newport Beach, California. I take some videos up and down the street and with the people whose patio we are enjoying. So it's kind of a mishmash, but it's still good footage, and I wanted to share it with you. So at any rate, I hope you enjoy. Hi you guys, it's Cindy. I'm going to do a vlog. I'm going to do several little snippets throughout a few days because I'm going out of town tomorrow and to visit my sister, to visit my mom, and I thought maybe I would take you with me. So bear with me while I just do a few little snippets. But I woke up this morning. I always have a slow morning. I'm just not a morning person. So I had my coffee. I fixed a little egg McMuffin with an egg on a sourdough muffin and some low-calorie Laughing Cow cheese and some iced coffee. Now then I'm playing around. I want to get on Patreon. I think that's how you pronounce it. So I'm on the computer trying to figure out and getting my act together to get on Patreon. And now I'm on my way to the gym. And so I'm going to be doing some leg presses, some arm exercises, and riding the stationary bike because I'm trying to be more active. So after the gym, I'm going to get my nails done and a pedicure. I have not had that done in quite a while. So I'm going to be getting a pedicure, and then after that, I'm going to go home and get my husband, and the two of us are going to go to the grocery store because, I have a patient that had a 4-way bypass. And so he is going to, he cannot drive. So I'm going to drive. So before I leave for a few days, I have to make sure that our kitchen has plenty of food. So that's what I'm doing now. And I will bring you to the gym when I get there. Okay, bye you guys. Okay, you guys, I'm here at my gym. It's in this little strip mall. And I want to see that where it says Palm Springs Fitness. That's where I go to get fit. And so I'm going to be in there. I don't know. I'm not in there that long unless I take a Zumba class. And I missed my Zumba class this morning. I'm going to stay here. There's too much traffic. So anyway, I'm walking into my gym. They want me to go. Okay. I will turn this back on again. When I get inside, or maybe I can walk you inside. Here we go, going inside to the gym. One 4836. Thank you. You want to say hi on my YouTube channel? Say hi. Hi. Okay, you guys, I'm here. I'm turning it off. This is my Zumba room. And this is one of the exercises that I do to help with my leg presses. A lot of the machines that I use, well, one of them is for my legs. That's this leg press to help strengthen my leg because, I have that bad right leg since my fall, my accident. And then I use about 3 different arm machines. That's just a still picture. Then that's the leg press machine with me not on it. This is a sit down, push that down. That is a bicep machine. And this one you sit down and lift those bars up. This is what 1 pound of fat looks like. Hi you guys, I just had my pedicure. My battery is almost dead on my cell phone, but I'm waiting 20 minutes until I can get my nails done. So right next door to the nail salon is this darling little Mexican restaurant. So I'm here, I'm gonna get a bite to eat, then I'll walk right next door to get my nails done. Hang in there with me. This is the little Mexican restaurant I was sitting at. This is where I get my nails done. Okay, next up, now that my vlog to the gym and to get my nails done is over, the next part is me at Newport Beach with some family members who did allow me to take some video of them. Hey everybody, this is Cindy. I'm sitting at my computer trying to edit and upload this vlog video that I made. I made it, there's sort of like two parts to it. One is come to the gym with me, and another one is come to Newport Beach, California with me. Well, my video of Newport Beach did not turn out, and I am so bummed and I'm so frustrated. And I'm sick of playing around with it. So instead of asking you to watch what I have and squint while you watch it, I'm just going to delete it. But that makes me a big fat liar, because I say that my whole video is about taking you on a trip with me to the beach. So at any rate, I'm just sitting here editing. I'm hot, I'm tired. But I thought maybe I'd make an explanation video to insert into the vlog. I do add a cuteness factor about adding some of our family dogs, some really cute pictures of them. So anyway, you guys, I hope you understand. I know you will. And love you guys. Bye. This is Stella trying to get her ball out of the pool. Millie waits patiently for her dinner. This is Shelby looking out the window. A beautiful planter at the beach. Another planter at the beach on the patio. If you haven't already, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I hope you enjoyed. Until our next conversation. Bye-bye.
You feel that life is passing you by. If each day that follows is one and the same. If all you need is someone to take the time, don't go looking, babe.